Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for taxes. Filing an extension provides you with an additional 6 months to submit your federal tax return, which can be incredibly helpful if you need more time to gather your documents. This simple step helps you avoid potential late filing penalties from the IRS. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay, so you should still estimate and pay any taxes you owe by the original deadline to avoid interest and penalties. Filing an extension with TurboTax is straightforward. First, log into your account and look for the option to File an Extension. You'll then be prompted to enter some basic personal information and provide an estimate of your tax liability. TurboTax will then prepare and electronically file Form 4868, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to File U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, directly with the IRS on your behalf. It's a quick and easy process. It's crucial to remember a few key points about extensions. While an extension gives you until October 15 to file your return, it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you owe. You should still estimate and pay your tax liability by the original April 15 deadline. If you don't pay on time, you could face interest and penalties on the unpaid amount, even with an approved extension to file. Always keep a copy of your filed extension for your records. If your tax situation is particularly complex, or if you have significant income changes, consider consulting a tax professional for personalized advice. They can help ensure everything is handled correctly. Also, for some great deals, including on the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you confidently file your tax extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.